Alright, it's Data Zero here, and we're here to talk about my 5 favorite altcoins and my suggestion to beginners if they were to buy and start investing into altcoins. Of course, this is not financial advice, this is for entertainment purposes only. I am just a guy on YouTube. Please don't take your financial advice from me, but I'm going to give you a rundown on 5 altcoins that are pretty safe investment as far as altcoins and cryptocurrency is involved, and also ways to look into them and find out what they're about and reasons why to invest and not to invest in altcoins. So let's go ahead and jump right into this, get into the charts, get into the graphs, the information. Let's go. Peace. All right, so the first one I would pick is Cardano. Cardano has one of the largest market caps, 5th ranked of all, and it's one of the most diverse projects. Not the most diverse project, I don't think, but it definitely is on its way to becoming one, and it's also called the Ethereum killer sometimes. I don't think it's quite there yet, and it's not even close, but it does have some really interesting projects. When you're investing in an altcoin, you want to invest in something that has a use case, not something like Dogecoin. I don't have anything against Dogecoin, and you can make Doge money on Dogecoin, but it's based on a meme. It doesn't really do anything. So things like Cardano is trying to get smart contracts on them. You can buy NFTs with them. You can do staking with them. It's a proof of staking concept coin. There's so much going on with it. They have nation states working with it. So that is why Cardano is my #1 pick for why on the top 5 altcoins that I would pick. Another reason is it's held its value even through the dip quite well. As you can see, it peaked way up into the $2 and some chains, and then it went back down, but it never went back down past $1, I don't believe. So the dollar is a really strong support, but it normally hovers around $1.21 to $1.50. And if we can continue to see Bitcoin rising, then you will see that some more possible upside for Cardano. So let's go ahead and move on to the next coin. So the next coin I would pick is Algorand. So Algorand's a great coin because it allows you to get interest on it on most platforms like Coinbase. I don't suggest that you put your coins in Coinbase and leave them in there. I suggest you use a wallet like Exodus. But Algorand is a great coin that allows you to get interest up to 5%, and it didn't maintain its value as much as some of the other coins like Cardano did, but it helps that you get a nice healthy interest payment, and it definitely did get a nice good pump when the altcoin rally just this last summer was going on, and reached I believe a high of at least $1.80. So if you're looking for a coin, especially one that gives you interest, and you can also do staking, which is what I mean by interest, with Cardano as well. So these are 2 coins definitely to look into if you're looking into getting into altcoin investing, and investing in altcoins. And then another strategy for altcoins is just to hold them through the ups and downs. Trading them actively is very dangerous. You can do what you want with your money, but I am advising you that it is very, very, very dangerous. So another coin that I would pick is Stellar Lumens. The thing with Algo and Stellar Lumens is they're aimed towards the banks and helping the banks and helping move money, which is very, very important, and provide liquidity. So these are two coins that you want to look into, and then also had massive gains. And then the prices that they're at right now, you could easily get a 50% or 75% gain if it went back to all-time highs or higher. It was at least 70 cents, so it's at 26 cents. So you're looking at a 50-cent per coin gain, which is not bad at all. If the altcoin rally continues and we get back to previous levels or higher. And as you can see, this coin is number, let me see, 19 in all of the coin's market cap. So those are the three coins that I would pick. So it's Cardano, or some people say Cardano, but it's Cardano, Algorand, Stellar, or Stellar Lumens, or XLM. Cardano is called ADA, Algo is called ALGO, and then the next coin I would pick is the one and only Ethereum. Ethereum has been one of the coins that's held up its value, one of the best throughout this dip. If you bought it under $2,000, it's a good buy. Any time you can buy Ethereum under $2,000, it's a good buy, and you can be pretty assured that it will go back over $2,000, and you'll be able to at least get your money back, if not more. It's very rare that it stays below $2,000 anymore, and when it does, it shoots right back up. So buying Ethereum under $2,000 is definitely a safe bet. And also, I believe that it's going to run up to at least 2,500, and by the end of the year, 2,900. They also have Ethereum 2.0 launching, which is a staking protocol for Ethereum, so you'll be able to stake your Ethereum like you will your Algorand and your Cardano. As you can see, I had a huge run up, and this was absolutely a massive run up, but as you can see, it still was able to maintain a healthy bit of that run up, because we started way down here, moved all the way up here, and now look where we're at right here, just hovering around this area. So we managed to keep all of this. We managed to keep, and that doesn't mean that we can't reach any higher sections or price targets in a new bull run. So Ethereum is a great one to have in your portfolio. It's one that I have. Obviously, all of these coins are coins that I have personally, and ones that I believe in. It also has a ton of projects on it, a ton of developers on it, and it definitely has its spot in the cryptocurrency world. So for the last coin I would pick is obviously Bitcoin. It's best to have Bitcoin. It's the first coin that was made. It's one of the safest investments when it comes to crypto. No crypto investments are very safe at all. They're actually one of the more risky assets that you can get involved in, but there are lots of gains. There's people that fearmonger and saying, hey, it's going to go to zero. But I don't believe that these coins are going to just go to zero, like especially overnight. Like that's just ridiculous. But anyways, Bitcoin is definitely one that you want to have, and it's been retesting the 40,000 level. It's going for actually another retest right now of the 40,000 level, and if we break past that resistance, we can start headed to the 41,000 level and beyond, and start maybe looking at new highs again, which would start a whole new rally in the altcoins. And back when the dip was happening, when most people were scared to buy, I was accumulating some crypto here and there, and I'm sure glad I did, and I'm hoping that we do get another bull run, which it's looking like it's going to happen. I mean, anything could happen, so I could be wrong, and it could just drop to the downside. But as you can see, we were way down here, and now we're way back up here when it comes to the crypto market, or to the uh, Bitcoin chart. And as you can see, over the week, we had a steady climb up. We try to look for a different period. Alright, it's not showing it. I wanted to show a relative on where we are at compared to the peak, but as I was saying, it's retesting the $40,000 mark, and hopefully we blast past that and start moving towards new highs again, when everyone was all excited and the euphoria was crazy. Not that that's always a good thing, but it's definitely fun. So that's it for what we have on the top 5 bit or altcoins and Bitcoin, or I should say cryptocurrencies, that you should buy as a beginner. Not financial advice. Look into each of these projects. On Coinbase, it tells you about each coin. So Coinbase is somewhere that you can buy these coins. That's pretty safe and pretty reputable. So this is Coinbase. So you just want to go to coinbase.com and then make an account, and then it'll tell you about the coins. But invest in coins that have projects behind them, that have people doing development and what's called dApps and stuff like that. That's just the terminology for like developing programs on there and stuff like that. But look for ones that have foundations, projects that are doing things. Like Bitcoin is accepted as legal tender in some nation states, things of that nature, that are going to keep the cryptocurrency alive and fit. So hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep investing. Peace out. So there you have it. That's my 5 top cryptocurrencies that I would get if I was just starting out my portfolio. So hopefully, if you guys are some beginners and you're looking for some guidance on some coins and how to pick coins that have projects on them, pick coins that have good white papers, go to the coins website. Like I said, Coinbase gives you a description of the coins. CoinMarketCap also allows you to see the white paper and go to the websites of these coins. So do research into these coins before you buy them. And don't just buy into some coin because your friend said so. Be very, very careful when buying these coins. But the coins that I mentioned are very, very reputable. And if you look at CoinMarketCap, normally the ones at the top are the best. I would stay away from Binance and Tether. Those don't have too good of reputations. But other than that, again, the list is first Cardano. That's what I would buy first, or invest in if I had a choice. But that's number 1. Algorand, then Stellar X, and that's called XLM or Stellar. Then Ethereum and Bitcoin. So obviously you want the 2 main ones, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then you want some Cardano, and then you want some Algorand, Stellar, maybe some XLM, or maybe some XRP. But that's the kind of mix that you want, like the banking sector type ones that are aimed towards moving money and stuff like that. Then you want the originals, like the store values, the Ethereum and the Bitcoin, and then go from there. So hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content. As always, have fun, stay safe, keep investing. Peace out.